Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need the driver for Canon MAXIFY, and this here for the serial, and you type here for the driver download, and please write and search the official website for you. I am glad download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website, you click here. Mm, this here for model the print, the printer, and this here for inject. This one and search the driver. Uh, this here for not support your the driver, and this here for and click here. Again, this here for support your the driver, and this here for the take automatic my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Windows 11 new version for the Windows, or for the Windows, and this here for the Mac, the Linux or the Macintosh, you click here. This here for the driver for uh, Macintosh, and this here for the Linux, and for the Windows Server support. Okay, and this video I need download driver for Windows 11. Click here for the Windows 11, and this here for the tag automatic the driver for the Windows 11, and this here for the printer and scanner functionality. This here for the printer functionality, your the product. Okay, and this here for the printer support. And if you need download for the Windows 11, you click here. Okay, and this here for history update. And if you need looking here information, and this here for the system information requirement, and the setup instruction. Okay, this here file information and disclaimer. And if you need download, you click here for button download. This here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, the take USB cable printer, and please one finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click file. This here, you double click file download. You click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. If you need question, comment below. If you need a link download, your below description, or you search for by Google. And thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.